everybody, I'm Luella Stanley, the CEO of First Aid Action in Australia. Just a quick first aid tip for you. Have you ever thought about what you would do if you were eating something, it got stuck in your throat, you couldn't speak, you couldn't cough, you couldn't breathe, and there was nobody at home to help you with choking on food? Well, this happened to me last year, and the best thing that I did to help myself, because I couldn't really whack myself on the back, I can't reach, and I can't smack myself against the wall. So the best thing to do, I'll show you. So eating away. And that was the best thing that I did. Just going to get rid of that bit of apple on my chair. It was very scary. It's important that you remain calm. So when I teach first aid and teaching choking, when you're helping somebody, you try to hit them between the shoulder blades 5 times on the back, and then you do 5 chest thrusts. So this is you pushing onto their chest with a deep push. But when you're by yourself, you probably don't have the strength to do that. So the best thing to do, as you saw, was if you have a chair or something that you can use to push into your chest, that's the best thing to do. And that is what helped me. Important to remain calm so you can think about this. And if you think about it, if you can swipe your phone to call emergency services, you can't talk to them, but you might be lucky that they do actually send out an ambulance car or a police car to come and investigate. But chew your food slowly, and hopefully that doesn't happen to you. All right then, take care. Bye.